Hi, what you're looking at is my PWM5 Pico charge controller for 12 volt solar panels. I built this using a circuit diagram from a YouTuber called Julian Ilett. I actually made these as kits for a while, yeah, they're quite a clever little device. It makes sure that the battery, the 12 volt lead acid battery, never gets overcharged. The fast flickering you can see on the LED is modulating the power so that it's maintaining a constant battery voltage. It's currently around 13.75 volts. My voltmeter here just slightly overreads. There we go. It's currently showing an output voltage of 13.95 on this one, but actually, and 8.5 watts. But it actually is about 13.75. It is. It's about 0.2 volts out. Current's fairly accurate, just the voltage is a bit weird. I'm not using that charge controller, that's just a bit of a toy just to play with. I am actually using two PWM5s. There's another one just here. This one's modulating at a slightly different speed. It's causing a bit of a flicker on the camera. This one is encapsulated in kind of like resin to make it waterproof for outside use. But it does what it says on the tin, really. They take about less than about 40 minutes to make these. They're all surface mount, with the exception of the MOSFET, which is just a standard MOSFET package. But they work very well. I've got two sets of solar panels, both running quite well. Obviously the voltage is slightly different between the two of them, but that's just the way they work. There's a slight difference. I think that's a variance in voltage regulator, comparator voltage or something. But they do what they say on the tin. They're very good. For a few quid's worth of electronics, it's a worthwhile and microscopic little thing. It's only the size of a pound coin. It's a tiny little thing compared to my finger, so you see it is quite small. But I like them. They're small. I've got about 8 of these in use around the garden, various solar panels, driving, lighting and stuff. So yes, they are convenient and they're small little tiny devices. So I just thought I'd show you them, really. Thanks for watching.